Hey there, Wall Street winners. It's Tuesday, April 22nd, and after market close today, Tesla is announcing results. And although it fell with the general market yesterday, it is up almost 3.5% right now in the early market session. Now, we're only 16 minutes in, so it's still early, and this could come off of its highs. But I'm thinking as this continues to move higher, this is a great time to buy a put option at 235 on Tesla. If we take a look at Tesla right now it's trading at a price to earnings ratio of about 115 times earnings. That's a huge, huge multiple for a company that really hasn't yet announced and been able to fully unleash the autonomous driving aspect of the business. So it's still really a car company. And as a car company, it's trading about 300% higher than the multiples of other car industry companies. If we flip over to an article in TipRanks, this is from an investor who, there's some commentary, online, from a pseudonym, an investor who goes by the pseudonym APAC Investment. And he believes one of Musk's biggest blind spots is his reliance, or Tesla's reliance, on camera-based sensors over LiDAR, and that could be a big concern going into the quarter. But with sales down in general, and with the brand having been effectively beat up, if not decimated, from Elon's work alongside the new administration, whether you like it or not, it has affected a significant amount of existing customers, but it has also impacted potential customers for Tesla with his alignment with the new administration. If we take a look at the options volatility here that is expected, again from TipRanks, if we scroll down to those with earnings today, you can see that there's an expected move in the options market of plus or minus 10.83%. So that means that on good earnings, it could go up as high as 10%. On bad earnings, it could go down as low as 10% or 10.83%. And I'm banking that it's going to be to the lower on this, because the likelihood of this having good results and a good future forecast, and even with good results and a good future forecast, like Netflix had as an example last Thursday after market close, the results were pretty muted. And although it's continued to climb, that is, Netflix has continued to climb, it has not climbed like it would have in more of a bull and optimistic market. There's just so much negativity out there in the market and the market narrative that I think it's likely that we're going to see a pullback, and it's going to be a significant one. That could also pull back the S&P 500 because Tesla, with its market cap, makes up a significant amount of that. If we flip back just for a second before I wrap up this video to Tesla, it's still making moves upwards. So here we've gone from 235, we hit 236, it's popped down a little bit, but it's still up in that range. And I think now on a spike is a good time to look at a put down in the 230s. Good luck in your trades today. I hope you make money on this trade if you decide to make it. And leave me a like and a comment if you're